understand my system. My mother is beginning to suspect me. I think I'm pregnant.
What?
You heard me. I don't understand my system anymore. As we speak, my mother is already suspecting me.
Anyway, if you are pregnant, how is that my business?
I don't understand. Aren't you the one I've been seeing ever since I got back from America?
I don't give a damn. I am not with you on this. You better go out there and look for whoever made you pregnant. Not me.
Wow. Really? Is it that you hate pregnancy or what?
Don't freaking tell me that. Go out there and look for whoever made you pregnant and not me. My plans is to get your sister pregnant.
Oh, wow. Really?
Not even pregnancy would change my mind.
Listen to me. You will never get married to my sister because she's never coming back for you. Do you hear me? You got me pregnant, trust me, I will tell my father.
You go ahead. Go ahead and talk to your father about it. Tell them how useless you are. You got pregnant for me? You go and tell them. I don't give a fuck. Nonsense.
What do I do now? Ikemefuna! Come back here, Ikemefuna!
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all men, because it's best to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take my life away.
Ordinary man wears and I body diva. Ordinary man wears it. Ordinary man wears ana. Hey! Oh my God! Yeah. That guy, yeah. I don't give it. I don't want to go John. I have a yeah. Ordinary man wears and I body diva. Ordinary man wears it. Ordinary man wears ana. A spirit! Mba! A spirit! An angry spirit is against you. Watchalo? Yeah. Yeah. But don't worry. I have taken care of it. You will never see her in your dreams anymore. I am here. I'm here to protect you. Good. I will make you the new SMO of this kingdom. You shall dwell with us here in the kingdom. We know who here. We'll make arrangements for your stay. All right, my prince. Don't worry. Don't be afraid. I am here to protect you. I trust you. I believe you. Because you know here, my very good friends, in fact, my best friend, and Chief Ibe, believe and trust you. Do not disappoint me. I repeat, do not disappoint me. My prince, I will not let you down. I will protect you. I know my duty in your kingdom.
My prince.
Oh no.
You shall reign.
Oh no.
You rule forever.
Oh no.
You rule forever. My prince, I will suggest that you go for Princess Kamsi. That is my humble suggestion.
No. Ibe, no. Is it because he got her pregnant? He cannot go for her.
Makagini. I said Maka, why? Why? Is she not beautiful?
Ibe, can you stop talking like a child? Stop talking like a baby. My prince, what's your next plan regarding...
Yes, I have already pulled down their company from my late father's company. Yes, this morning, the documents will be served.
But my prince, is it not too early? The king is already in search of his daughter.
It is obvious, very obvious, that his daughter doesn't want to marry our prince.
But Cherigodo, oh no, on whose side are you? Are you with us or you are against us? Can you be straightforward for once?
I am still saying what I have been saying before. The Igwe knows what he is doing. It is obvious he doesn't want our prince to marry his daughter. That is why he sent her out. We know this politics that he's playing now. He's playing politics with us and we know this thing.
Subadra is okay. It's alright. Subadra.
Baba, I come beg you for the second time. I beg. Make you forgive me. Forgive Kosi Sochiko.
Now that forgiveness no dey inside my dictionary. Look at me very well. You see that girl Kosi? I must show her that I am Chief Otumba, one of the Ijebode. Benny, I must show her. You see that girl? Her own don't pass for this place. I must show her that nobody messes with me and go free. I even had you people went and report me to the union and my brothers. Nadia una kill una self. I said Nadia una kill una self. Remember what I did to Obina? He's still on the road back, you know. So that the same thing will not happen to you. Remember.
Baba, see, me going to the union to report this matter, I did not mean any harm. Oh. I did not mean any harm. I only report to them so that they will come and settle this matter amicably. But for now, I don't come on my own. And I'm asking, I beg, make you forgive me. Now brothers will be you.
That brother, remove it. I don't, look at me. I don't need you as brother. I don't need it. You see that Kosi? You must bring that girl to me. I must sleep with her. Chop her destiny join. You see that small tiny waste where they take deceive everybody here? I go chop them. I go pound them. I will knock her back to back.
Baba, I don't understand this one. No. You want to chop this small girl, baby apprentice. Just the same way you chop Angela, my girlfriend.
Angela cited my bola.
You cited your bola?
Yes. And she said she would like to have a feel of it.
Hey.
Yes, she came to me. After having a feel, yes, I married her. Abi, she no tell you, that girl is sweet for bed very well. She dey give me hot, front and back. She's very good. Abi, you never touch am before. This one where they feel am like this. That the bola she can't chop, can't sit down, marry me. That be me.
No problem. No problem. But it make me come here. Now make I can't give you this the link. And I won't pay for my shop.
They bring drink, come you won't do freedom. I mean, what? Why are you bringing drink to do
As
what?
my caretaker of this place now, I say I give you drink, come pay for my shop.
I don't want any money from you. Take your drink and go. Leave my shop. Get out of my shop! Get out of this place!
Baba, I like Ramiya in a mail. I don't like this what you do. It's unfair. Oh.
In fact, I hate fair things. Get out of my shop. You want me to turn you to spanner?
Huh?
You want me to turn you to spanner?
No, I don't go.
Look at Olori Burúkú ọmọdé. Ọmọ Yíbo ìbò aṣọ́ra ẹnu ọgbà yìí o. Ṣọ́ra ẹnu ọgbà yìí o. Ó dàbò orí ẹ̀ ti burú. Don't worry. I know how to handle you people. Obina is still barking like a dog. You, I go turn you to tortoise. Keep you inside one place. Don't worry. They give you agidi the chop every day. Adegbere. 10 years no experience.
Baba.
Where the flat or planner where I say make you build? Where the
Nah,
flat?
this one nice.
This one a flat?
Baba, I don't know if this one na 19, I been na 61. If you look at here na 61, you look at here na 19.
Ṣé kò ṣe pé wèrè ń ṣe ẹ́? Èwo ni 61 and èwo ni 19? I told you to bring flat for me. You go carry 61 and 19.
This one flat now. No.
Ade, which year you want graduate for here? They don't use you borrow money. See, they never pay the money finish. You see they here. What did I do you this boy?
Baba, you say flat.
Get her, go look for flat for me.
No vex.
Only run.
Obim. Obim, I saw you dead.
Yeah?
Yes. Obim, if you keep fighting this man, you will die. You want to make me a young widow and I will born child fatherless. Is that what you want?
Are you pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Yeah?
I've been speaking with my father and my sister as well.
What did they say about us?
Obim, I don't want you to go to the native doctor's house again.
How did you find out?
Obim, it doesn't matter. Just promise me you won't go there again. See, my father has accepted us.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Just promise me you won't go back there again.
I am missing my daughter. I want her back so we can talk.
Really?
I think I have been selfish. Prince Ikem has threatened me enough. Yes, he has threatened me enough.
I think Prince Ikem and Kamsi are having a affair.
It's a lie.
Maybe you go to her and find out yourself.
No. No, that can't be true. Kamsi cannot be having affairs with Prince Ikem. Is she mad? I've spoiled you enough, Kamsi. I've spoiled you enough. What have I gotten myself into? Dad, where is Kamsi?
She just drove out, Your Majesty.
Oh my God, what have I gotten myself into? It's all right. Let her go and come back. She will meet me in this house.
My sister asked me to give you this file. Are you okay?
Yes. Yes. Oh, the files. Yes. Shionanja. You must come from the heavens. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
No, hold on. Will you come back? Please. I need you to.
My sister is waiting for me at the office.
Yes, but please, I need you to come back.
I've heard you. You were such a sweet prince. I can't stop thinking about you.
Careful. I'm getting married to your elder sister.
This is the point where I get jealous. Shouldn't I?
No need for that. We can still keep our relationship. You know, in the secret.
Okay.
Come in.
My prince. Princess Olivia is here to see me.
Tell her I'm not around. No. Tell her I'm busy. Tell her I'm in the back room. Just don't let her up here. Go, go.
Okay, my prince.
Oh my God, I'm finished. I'm finished. You will see my car parked outside.
It's okay.
What do I do? What do we do?
It's okay. Calm down.
Listen, I told her that I was going out to buy something.
Calm down. Yes. I'll tell her your car broke down and I picked it up so that the palace mechanic could fix it. Alright. Yes, that's what I'll tell her. Meanwhile, I need to get you out of here.
How? Let's go. How do I get out of here without her seeing me?
Through the back. Come.
Is the back door?
Yes, come. Take your arm.
Where? Are you sure she...
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I anywhere you are, tread with caution. If make peace with all men, because it pays to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take my life away. Onyana madu wayanike. Yana muwanike. Be everybody friends. You know, go. Don't give room for enmity. No. Let peace and love reign on. I never can tell what tomorrow will bring. Jason died today because of careless mistakes. Some are in pain today.
Come here!
What is
I'm okay, you threat you. I'm okay, you I'm going to bring your head today. I'm not fear.
Ready.
Stop you.
Don't sit here with
Don't
us.
you dey follow?
Don't sit here with us.
You not fear, you don't catch my oga.
Yeah. Don't sit here with us. Don't sit here with us. Don't sit here with us. Yeah.
Hey. Now which kind of dealing be this? Hey. Kosi. Kosi so chuku. Kosi so. Now who dey there? Offer? Kebindaga. Where did they go to? Umaba. Kebaga. Umaba.
Mama Clay, don't be for you. I know they fear you. No matter the weight of elephant, it don't fit cause earthquake. I know they fear you. You don't fit do me anything. You don't fit do my oga anything.
Yes, sir.
I know they fear you. Look me well. You don't whine. Mama Clay, you see that thing where you put for one bad leg? Go come out and move. Otherwise, it go be for you for this place.
Yes.
You don't mad. You no fear. You get mind say you won't sleep with me. I'll kill you for bed. Your blood go flow. You don't whine.
That's so.
I know well, go ask question.
Yes.
What did they walk you? What did they give you morale?
Èmi. Go see Èmi ló ń bá wí ló ń dọwọ́ sí. Kékeré la bẹ̀rẹ̀ kéré kò ń ṣe mímì fàdí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
You see as Didu small reach so, you no fit swallow am.
Say?
Yes. You. Go see you. You dey point me for my own shop. Have you forgotten that I'm the caretaker of this place? Go see, Shorai. Surely gbogbo buga don buga ẹ.
Oga Su, she no fit do anything.
Oga go see Èmi.
You no fit do anything.
Big
You no fit. Who you be?
Baba Otumba. Leave my girl alone. Make you leave Kosi alone now. What did Kosi do you? I go report you to union, no? Leave this girl alone now.
You dey support am. So that's why I get mind. Break my glass. This girl, she go run mad here. See am. Now you dey give her mind. So tiri what? Ma worry.
No fit.
Nothing.
You no go fit do anything.
If you no run mad for this compound, no come in my door.
Oga na man say you no fit.
You mean it?
You no fit. I dey fear you. You no fit. Oga leave me. You no fit. Who you be? You do not work for me, oh. Don't try am. You no fit. I go bust your head. Not a man. Okay, come on. Shift. Oga, give order. Give
Kosi, such a good no send you.
Baba, leave my apprentice alone. I don't like all this thing what you dey do. Leave my apprentice alone.
You wey never learn work finish. You manage get shop. You dey fight for woman. Don't worry. Make una no worry.
Oh, guys, you want allow me to listen here now?
These people wey una dey see so, I go turn them to spanners. Una go use am. Don't worry. All these people are spanners. They are not woman.
Oga, my blood.
Don't worry.
Oh, Oga is the focus. Oga is the focus.
You see these people wey una
She gets power like man. Happy
forget them.
She right here.
What's Ojuku? Are you insane? What is your problem? Why will you go and confront such a man? Such a wicked man? You want to kill yourself?
Oga, no, they like this kind thing. No. You suppose they appreciate me, and that's one for us.
You are not doing anything for us. You are not doing anything for this company because all you do in this company is to throw away our customers. Because you are endangering our life. See, Umaba is still recovering. Leave this man alone. This man is an evil man.
Oga, why you go say we go pack come out for this shop if you not sleep with me? For waiting, now ain't go come out oh. Yes, I no agree oh. I go mend that man. I no well oh. May go ask questions. I go mend the tuba. That's the whiskey where I break now. Small thing compared to what I go do am. May don't try me oh. I no well oh. Oh.
What is Ochuku? I don't know what thing that man do you oh. All I know is avoid that wicked man.
Obia. You don't offend my ancestors. So I am here. To warn you from madness. Then, as I'm talking to you now, start barking like a dog.
Come carry your gun now.
Tunde!
Papa, I beg. Please. I tell you to make you leave this girl alone. Leave this girl alone now. Gosi, stop this now. Stop it.
Excuse me, let me pass. My friend, excuse me, let me pass.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm sorry.
What's the meaning of this?
Don't spoil this gate, oh.
I will slap you now. Shift away and I'm going to see the priest. What's your problem?
With due respect, ma. Please, leave.
I swear you're going to lose your job. You see this thing you're doing, you will lose your job.
What is going on here?
You see this stupid boy? This stupid boy, this big head, you have to fire him. Okay, he has no respect. Excuse me, let me pass, Joe.
Why are you here with your luggage?
I don't understand. I'm here to stay. You got me pregnant. What are you talking about? Just stop this joke. See, I've had a hectic day already. I don't even have strength for jokes. Just let's quietly go inside and handle this issue. Please, excuse me.
Mrs. Kamsi, you are not coming inside this palace. You better go back to your father's kingdom. And do not come back here again. Until you get rid of that nonsense in your womb.
I don't understand. Listen, you're blabbing. Chiefs, let me pass. I will break your head, though.
Guards,
Sir, my prince.
make sure she doesn't step her feet
Yes, sir.
inside.
You
You stay out here when you are ready to go back to your father's kingdom. You do. Excuse me.
Anywhere you are,
Take your
tread
stick
with caution. If I never,
Let me go.
if
You came here for that. You came here for that.
anywhere you
You
are,
came here for that.
tread
No,
with caution.
I will come
If
for
I
you.
never,
You think you can?
if I never.
We need to stress. It's stress for them all.
Yes.
You lucky. Open this door, put the water inside of it. Don't stress me.
Orimio. Ah! My hand. Hey! Yeah. Orimio. Akpamio. My hand. My head. Let me call Baba. Let me know if Baba is around. Hello? Baba? You there, Shirai? Abi? I dey come. Ah! I dey come. Yeah. Where are these boys? Where are they? Yeah.
Ezemo, the two people I had something with, they appeared to me. But you told me that has stopped, Ezemo. I brought you into this kingdom so you can find solution to that problem. That is why you came into this kingdom. What is happening? What is happening? Why am I still having ghosts in my palace? Ezemo, do something about this.
My prince, calm down. Please, calm down. Calm down, Biko. Ezemo, what is going on? What is going on? Talk to us.
Time. You have to give me some time. Yes.
What time? Look, if there's anything you want to say it now, here and now.
Oh, I brought you into this kingdom for one purpose. This is it. You have to do something about it. There is no time. Time is not on my side. There's a more. We have no time. Do something and do it now.
Very well then, my prince. But you shall not enter the palace for now.
What?
Yes, to consult the gods.
What is he talking about? What are you talking about?
Where will he stay?
Where will he stay? You don't know whose house or anywhere, but not the palace. I'm coming. Let me go and consult the gods. Hey, hey, I get you.
My prince, I will be on my way. Come here.
My prince, what did you say really happened? You said you saw Ijeoma and who?
Oh no, don't ask me that, oh no. Don't ask me that. That is irrelevant. Do not ask me that. No, my prince. Am I even sure if your house is safe? Is this safe? Is this your house safe? Oh no. Because I don't know. I am really scared right now.
My prince, please relax. Just calm down. Everything's gonna be fine.
It's over, love. It's over, please. It's over, please. Please. It's over. It's over.
I have not come to hurt you. Whatever the prince did to you, let it be upon his head. That's why I released your spirit. The king has stained his hand in blood and atrocity. Forgive my ignorance. Please, don't come after me or my children. Hurt those that put you to death. I am Malu. I am Maho. I am Malu. I am Maho. Go! Go! Hurt those that put you to death. Go now. Yes. I am Malele. Yes. Those that want to go to a journey with the gods will be ready to go to the journey of no returns. I am Malele. I am.
There's that more. Look for him. Look for him. Search for him. There's that more.
Ezemo, where are you? Where are you?
Go, look for him. Go. Find him.
My prince, I saw her. I saw her with my two korokoro eyes. Yes, I saw her.
I told you. Ijeoma's ghost is still tormenting me. Ijeoma's ghost is after my life.
And Ezemo is not in his shrine. Eh?
And at this point, what do we do?
He cannot disappoint us at this point. He cannot.
I am confused.
I'm going back to my palace. You both find him. Find him and get back to me.
My prince. But Ezemo said you cannot go back to your house now. Oh no. Your house is equally not safe at this moment. So I'm going back to my palace. Oh my hegamem, yamem na my palace. Oh my hegamem, yamem na my palace. I'm out. I'm just
Mother.
Igwe give here. Igwe give here. No. I got drinking on Igwe. Please settle.
Father, my husband and his entourage have come to pay you homage.
That's wonderful. Such a colorful entourage.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. You're welcome.
Obinna.
Igwe, I'm here to introduce us. My name is Obinna, the chief guard. And you?
Igwe. My name is Kamsi, and I'm the chief maiden.
That's right.
You?
Igwe. My name is Oluchi, the palace cook.
You?
Igwe. I am Ofodele, the chief domestic staff of my cousin brother's...
Ofo? Who asked you?
Oh, sorry, your highness.
Sit. You?
Igwe, original Waba, chief security.
Igwe, we are not done. We are here bearing gifts. Ofo? Yes.
And no more. We are not taking it back. Igwe. Our people say that you don't visit a great man empty-handed. Yes, this is our token. Token. Yes, Igwe. Lala. Chai.
My daughter, you're welcome. I can see that you're going to have a very long visit.
It's a wonderful.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, my king.
Igwe.
No. Thank you.
Nukunwa.
Thank you.
You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you very much.
What did happen yesterday? Eh? What did they say happened here? Where is Kosi?
I don't know where she did. I don't even know where these boys them dey. I don't know where they enter.
What's that called they here?
Okay. I don't buy the food though. Make I go buy food for one back for hospital. And they come. This is the way they look me like this. What in they sup? I do bad thing.
No, nothing.
I better don't mind this one, eh? Asan Potompo. Asan the Mekandi.
Obinna, this way they aim me like this. Wetin dey down?
I say you nearly kill Otumba.
That one na old story now. Oga, you know, so you tell me say you get headache. Eat this your food, make you take your medicine. Medicine dey inside. I no wan make anything happen to you. Be like say na malaria wan attack you. Abeg, no forget to take your medicine, yeah? Make I go meet Wamba for hospital. I dey come.
Asa Potombo. Chop your food, I will chop am for you. Why they look like say you never see her before? Some people they say make you eat. Don't be sickness they see. Not help you. Who they see?
Okay, stop. Are you see?
So you say the dream be like how?
Obinna. Wetin I tell you, na wetin I see. Na wetin I see for the dream.
You mean say for the dream, you na king. Kosiso, you marry Kosiso.
Yes. Yes, oh. I married Kosiso for my dream. For my dream, Kosi na queen. Me, Oga Mike, mechanic, I become king.
But you know say for your village, your prince now he's supposed to be king when his papa die.
Exactly.
So how come you now nah?
I know that one they confuse me. They confuse me, oh. Because I don't understand this kind of dream.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't understand.
Anyway, I won't go see Oluchi, my woman, their people. They say make I come.
Did that mean it?
Yes, so.
Ah! Wonderful. Finally, so her people don't decide to accept you. They won't collect you now, mechanic. Chai! Chai! This life.
See this my woman Oluchi, eh? God just carry am like this, give me, say na my woman she must be.
Chai.
She fight, do everything. They no agree. But now, they don't accept.
That girl love you. That girl love you.
Yeah, I love her too.
Each time why it sound like this, she go just shine like sun. That skin, but you go make money or make you take care of that skin.
But you see them now, they make money, they work well. But
love you.
But everything now, where would they talk? You know they see what they see say, and they see you and Kosiso together. Kosiso good, may you marry and put for house.
Obinna.
Yeah?
Obinna. Make it stop this nonsense talk where they talk. Make it stop this talk. How you go dey tell me to say make I go dey marry my apprentice? Yeah, somebody where they work under me, somebody where they work for me. Now you say make me I go marry. How?
You see that lady where they talk? I like her more. That woman, a woman where you go carry put for house.
Person they fight every day. Make you come fight, come kill me for house.
He no go kill you. Now love her they talk about. You go say and say now this woman go become better thing for you.
I beg. Make you no spoil this good news where you don't carry come now. When are we going to see your prospective in-law?
By next week.
Mother, where is my father? He went in search of your sister. Just like you told us. That the tracker saw her in a mechanic workshop. Someone confirmed it to your father, so he has gone to look for her. Mother, I need to speak to my father. It's urgent. Come sit. Is anything the matter? Yes, Mother, I'm fine. Are you sure? I need to speak with father. Come sit, talk to me. Are you okay?
Oh no, get up! Get up from there, we need to get to SM more fast. Chimo. Oh no! Oh no, it's not. Oh no! Oh no, get up! We need to get to SMO as soon as possible. Oh no! Oh no! Hey! Ijoma, my baby! Ijoma, please! Please, Ijoma, don't kill me. Please! Ijoma, please!
You're already a dead man. I will make you pay for all you've done to me.
Ijoma, I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay. But please spare my life. I'll be king in a few days.
You have no kingdom. You will join me soonest.
Ijoma, no! No!
My priest! My priest! My priest! My priest! My priest!
It's good that I met you. I was coming to you. Ezamo, as I am talking to you now, Chief Ibeko is dead. Yes. Ono is laying lifelessly on the road. Ezamo, as I am talking to you right now, I'm the only one alive. And I'm alive, but I see dead people everywhere. Ezamo. Ijoma is after my life. Ezamo, I didn't even kill Ijoma. I didn't kill her. I'm telling you.
Really? Prince Ikem, you have to pay the price you bargained. You caused this for yourself. As you can see, I'm helpless.
Are you okay? Are you serious? This is why I brought you to this kingdom, Ezamo. What are you talking about? Are you trying to betray me? Ezamo, don't tell me that bringing you to this kingdom is a waste of time.
That is, if you see it that way.
My friend, I paid you heavily for this. Oh yes, I provided you with shelter. I provided you with everything that you need to survive in this kingdom. You have to do something. You have to do something.
Get your hands off me! What is wrong with you, young man? What is wrong with you, murderer? What is wrong with you?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid, Ezamo? Huh? Are you out of your senses, Ezamo? I will send you out of this kingdom if you don't do something right now.
Prince Ikem, I shall see who will leave this kingdom, whether it is you or I. You murderer, get out of this place.
Ezamo, you have to do something. You have to do something, Ezamo.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all men, because it pays to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take my life away.
Wamba, this your leg. Don't use and stand for too long, oh.
I no go stand. Just the paper.
You go soon well, yeah?
Thank you. Don't try.
Take this. Take it, William. I know the gods have shown you the future. I'm just a messenger of the gods. Prepare yourself. Prepare your mind to lead your people.
Lead what? Lead where? Lead who?
What are you talking about?
Prepare yourself. Eniaro, 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 Eniaro. Ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ̀ o. Eniaro, ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ̀ o. Eniaro, ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ̀ o. Baba, Eniaro, ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ̀ o. Baba, Eniaro. Gosi, have the mind to disgrace me. Me Ọ̀túnba. One of Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde. Ẹni lórí ṣọ́ọ̀bù yìí mọ́. O ti ní rí mọ́. Gosi. I go show you say Kanda no be pomo. I go show you wetin your eye never see. Oya, run man! Run man!
See the nonsense when you travel, go far, go bring. If I tear you another slap, your gods go run leave you. Even your dialect go break.
Gosi! Baba! You slapped me. Ade! Baba! Bamu! Egba! I am 45 and I'm ready for you. Today, you must run mad. Gosi, today you must run mad. Run mad! Do not dare your spirits, young man. What is in her is way bigger than you. Oh, I wish you have eyes to see whom you are dealing with. I command you to run mad!
Kill him! I think you know the work. Nonsense!
Gosi ti ya wèrè. Gosi, o ti ya wèrè. Gbogbo yẹn ti ya wèrè. Gosi ti ya wèrè.
Mama, see, I don't.
Gosi o ti ya wèrè.
I go match you for here.
Gosi o ti ya wèrè. Rama! Rama!
Mama, see, go to your shop.
Hey!
I don't need to.
Gosi o ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè. Gosi o ti ya wèrè. Gbogbo yẹn ti ya wèrè.
Mama.
All of them don't run mad like this. Hey! Gosi o ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè.
Tunde!
O ti ya wèrè. O ti ya wèrè.
Baba.
Hey!
Leave them. Not a normal regular slap. Let him go. Let us cross. Let him do. Baba, not the man. See you.
Tunde! O ti ya wèrè. Gosi o ti ya wèrè. Ìwọ o ti ya wèrè. Yóò ti rí wọ o ti ya wèrè. Tunde! Gbogbo yẹn ti ya wèrè. Gosi o ti ya wèrè. Ẹ ti ya wèrè. Gbogbo yìí ti ya wèrè. Ẹ ti ya wèrè. Ẹ ti ya wèrè.
Father!
No be person wey wan walk motor you dey call father.
Olivia, what are you doing here?
Greetings, my princess.
When I found out my younger sister was having an affair with Prince Ikemefuna, I couldn't deal with it. I had to go very far away from the palace so I could heal.
What?
Hello. You're here.
What is Dance's car doing in your house?
Oh, your sister's car. I broke down, so I got it here from
What you're saying doesn't make any sense to me. We have a family mechanic. You would have called him.
Yeah, well, but she called me first.
Anyway, that's why I'm here. You're supposed to be at work. So why are you home?
Yes, I was. I actually came to pick up some files. Yeah, well, going back now.
Alright.
So how are you?
I'm fine, I'm just exhausted.
So, how about we go grab something and refresh, you know?
No, don't worry, I'm not in the mood for that now. I'll see you later.
Okay. Alright. Drive safe.
Okay. I need an evidence of what you said just now.
Okay, my princess. As soon as I set up the video, I will let you know.
Please do. You said he sleeps with the maidens?
Yes, ma'am. And we can't do anything about it. We can't say no. We were 6 before, but some of us have stopped working. If not for the fact that his late parents adopted me while I was little, I would have run away. Prince Ikemefuna does not even care if I'm like a sister to him.
Wait, hold on. He sleeps with you too?
Yes, my princess. I've done like 3 abortions for him already.
What? My goodness. This is evil. What? He's a bad person. Yes. That's evil of him, oh my goodness. Look, you need to stop aborting babies, okay? It's not good.
This weekend I will do a video of him and your younger sister. I'll send it to you.
It's okay. You know what? I'll send you 1 million naira. You have to leave the palace and go do something with it. Start up something for yourself.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Do not forget to do the video.
I won't forget. Thank you.
You said you'll be traveling to Abuja by the weekend?
Mm-hmm. I have some documents to clear at the embassy.
Oh. I thought I asked the PA to do it for you. Why the stress traveling?
No, Father. I want to do all of that myself. I feel comfortable doing it, other than sending someone else.
No. You know you have a lot of other things to do here.
Dad, please. Big sis, please talk to father for me. Father, let her go. She'll be fine. Yes, I'll be fine.
But this is unusual. You of all people? Anyway, it's okay. My love.
Mother.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Your sister just called that she has arrived at Abuja.
That's nice. Good news.
Are you sure you are okay? You look worried.
Mother, I'm fine.
Well, if you say so, I'll be outside.
No. What up? Okay. Take care of you. I won't. Take good care of yourself.
What? You kept all this away from me, your father? So all this is all about your younger sister and that stupid prince? Can you imagine? Oh my goodness.
Father, I changed my phones and deactivated the tracker app on my phone because I noticed Prince Ikemefuna and Kamsiri were trying to reach me. I had to deactivate everything, Father.
This is an abomination. Hello. Prince Ike must pay dearly for this. Kamsi, you disappointed me so terribly. You disappointed me with this your stupid act. But you should have said something. Now tell me, how did you end up here? How did you end up being a mechanic? This is not you. This is not your person.
Father, like I said, I left. I left because I couldn't deal with Kamsi. I couldn't look into her eyes. She irritated me. I needed to stay away from everyone. I needed to stay healthy. I needed a sound mental health. And Father, as a theater graduate, I decided to try another style of living. Bro, sorry, no verse. I come your table. Good afternoon, sir. How work?
Fine. Can I help you?
Yes, so you go fit help me. Oga, as I dey eat for there, I just dey observe you. I like mechanic work. I dey like solve problems. Sorry, I dey like solve cars. I get skill in that. So as I see you, you be like a responsible person. You be like person who I go fit learn this mechanical skill under. So I go like join your work, sir.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh. It's a good idea. But I don't used to train women. Maybe you should try someone else.
No, you go start with me, sir.
Huh?
I said you go start with me. If you hear say I go do a shower, you go like am. You don't see girl where they focus, where I won't learn. You don't want teach me. You know good now.
Why are they looking like say you go dey troublesome?
No, I know they troublesome. Try me first now. Test me first. I not be troublesome person, but anybody where I find my trouble go collect and woto. I go give am to the person. But make your mind say, I be peaceful person. No worry.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. I've heard you. What you will do is you will have to come tomorrow. Let's see where we can start from.
No, God, they follow you go your workshop. Why they do like this? If you hear say I do hook up now, something happen, my blood go there your head. You don't go there happy now. You don't see responsible girl where won't settle, make you learn work. You know what help me? You know good though. I go follow you go your workshop. You go tell me what I go bring as appearances.
Okay. Like I said, you will not follow me to my shop today. You have to come tomorrow. And if you're coming tomorrow, you will come with somebody. Come with somebody, oh. The person will sign an agreement. The way I'm looking at you, you look like a fighter.
No.
I don't like fighters, so I hate them. I am only doing this thing. Let me not look as if I am trying to deny you your opportunity. And tomorrow you now say this man is a bad man. I'm not a bad man, oh. But just come tomorrow. Let's see. Let's start from there.
I go bring person. Thank you, sir.
No
I feel shop for you.
Sure, you can shop.
I'm gonna join me. This would make sense, so.
No, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
No, it's sweet though. That's how I began to work here, Father. Oga Mike!
Yes?
Father. This is my employer. He's my very good friend and I like him so much.
Huh? I don't mind my son. I thank you very much for being nice to my daughter. Thank you. Olivia, I am very sorry I forced you. Please.
It's okay, Father. It's fine.
My people, please. I have found my daughter. Let's all go to my palace and make merry.
Are you a princess? For real?
They call you Asapotompo. Asapotompo! So you're a princess? Asapotompo! That's why I call you Asapotompo.
Princess who dey fight Mortal Kombat.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never
Who locked me out of my palace? Are you people mad? Mad guy. Come on, open my palace for me.
Make peace with all men, because it pays to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take
I'm a prince.
I'm a prince, I'm a madman.
Mad people everywhere. Mad people. Mad people everywhere. Follow, get out of here.
What's tomorrow will bring?
Olivia, is this you? Ah, I thought I've lost you.
I missed your mother.
I missed you too. Olivia, is this you? Welcome home. My daughter. I thought I've lost you.
I missed you, mother.
I missed you too, my daughter. What is this? What are you putting on? Your Majesty, where did you find her?
In a mechanic workshop.
What? Olivia! What were you doing in the mechanic workshop? Just look at you. You're welcome home. You're welcome home. I thought I've lost you. Just look at you. Cassie, what is it? Cassie! Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's a sister. It's okay. I'm sorry. Sis, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sis, please, I'm sorry. Mother. Father, I'm sorry. I've done so many bad things. I got pregnant for Prince Ikem. What? Kamsi! And in the process, I lost my womb. As I'm talking to you now, I am bleeding inside. Sis, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Kamsi, why? Why? Look at what you've done to yourself. Kamsi, you got pregnant, you couldn't confide in me, your father or anybody. Who is that idiot that did this to you? Who is that quack doctor? Mother, I deserve it. Sis, please, I've wronged you. I deserve it. I deserve it. I'm bleeding inside. I'm getting weaker. I'm getting weaker. Sis. Forgive me. Forgive me.
What is it? Kamsi! I forgive you. Kamsi! Look, I'm in a better state now. I'm forgiving you, Kamsi. Your Majesty, Kamsi! Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Kamsi! Mama! Kamsi! Get up! Call the doctor! Kamsi!
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never.
Your Majesty, every preparation has been made.
Beautiful. What about the fruit salad? Is it ready too?
Ready.
Beautiful. You can go now. Mother.
Oh my God! Daughter, you're welcome.
Your Majesty.
My in-law, the king. You're welcome. Please, go upstairs. Go and tell the Igwe that our in-law, the king, is here with our daughter. Please, make yourself
yourself comfortable.
Greeting, Your Majesty.
My daughter, how are you? I'm fine, mother. My in-law, how are you enjoying your kingship?
The latest king. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, here comes your father.
Ezekibie.
Ezekibie. No.
Ezekibie.
No.
Ezekibie.
No.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Father.
It's well with you. Hey.
Your Majesty, there is no need to sit. Okay. The dining is set, please. Let's proceed.
Oh. Please.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all men.
Angela, what are you doing in this place?
Mike, it's me, your baby. I've missed us so much.
No, I don't want you to miss us. Oh. There is no us here. Hey, why? How did you find me in my in-laws' palace?
I heard you got married to the princess of this kingdom. That's why I came
Stop there. Go back.
I came to beg you for forgiveness.
You came to beg me for forgiveness?
Yes.
Angela, you just said you heard I am married.
Yes.
And you still came to look for me. In my in-laws' palace. Angela, what is your problem? And I thought you were married. What about, what's his name again? Is it Baba? Baba Otumba? The last time I saw him, he was running mad. Is he still running mad?
He died last week.
Chineke.
The truck crushed him down.
Chai. The truck crushed him down.
Yes.
So with all those juju he used to wear on his body, truck finally crushed him down. Chai, but wait oh, this means you're a widow now.
Yes, I am a widow.
Chai.
You used juju on me, oh. I wouldn't have left. You know how
Go back.
Okay.
You can talk from there.
You know how I loved us. I've missed everything.
Ozugo, Angela, if you know what is good for you, I will advise you to leave here now. Because my wife, Kosi Izochukwu, she's a war. She can fight you. It's better you leave. I don't want you to come here and put asunder in my marriage. Because me looking at you, the way you're dressed now, you can do anything for me to have you again. So leave this place. Okay. Angela, leave this place before I will call dogs for you.
I can be a second wife.
I said you should leave. Leave.
It's me, oh.
I said leave.
You've forgotten everything. I'm sorry.
Oh, you remember everything?
Yes.
And leave this place.
Okay.
Go and meet your husband.
You on me.
Let him continue to use juju on you in his grave. Go now.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all men, because it's pain